Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be cooking bitter leaf soup, also known as ofe onugbu, with these ingredients: beef, stockfish, omo, dry fish, cocoyam. And at this point I'll introduce the beef into an empty pot, then introduce the stockfish, omo, and then I'll return back to the cocoyam. I'll be peeling it off. I will be cooking everything together to save time. Yes, this is the best method. I don't have to cook it separately. Peel it and it will come out like this, and then I'll introduce it into the pot so that everything will cook together, just like you can see from the video. I'm using my hand to split it. Yes, instead of boiling the cocoyam separately, this is the best method. It will save a lot of time. Yes, I'll then add water to it, cover, and start cooking. Yes, I'll come back after some time to check on the cocoyam. I'll check. As you can see, the cocoyam is soft. Yeah, it is good to go. I will then introduce it into a mortar. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you, my returning subscribers. Thank you, all my subscribers. I really appreciate. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I will have to pound, and after which I will take it off from the mortar, then introduce it into the pots. After which I will then add water because I want it watery. Yes. Then this is local bean, also known as ogriokpe, then black pepper. I love using black pepper, but you can use any pepper of your choice. I love this pepper because of its flavor. Then crayfish will follow suit, and after which palm oil. Yeah, I love palm oil in this soup. So after adding palm oil, I will then allow it to boil a bit. Then dry fish, also known as mangala. This is mangala. It is a bit hard, so that's why I'm adding it this early, so that it can be easy for chewing. Yeah, for easy chewing though. I'll then allow it to boil, but I won't cover. Yes, don't cover. At this point, don't cover again. Then I'll come back after some time to stir. As you can see, yeah, it has given me what I want. It's giving me already. It's giving me what I want. Then I will now introduce the bitter leaf. This is the bitter leaf, the chief host of the whole day. This is the chief host, the olubu, the bitter leaf. Then I'll introduce it into the pot. I've already removed the bitterness. I've extracted the bitterness. I've washed and boiled. Yes, but one day I'm going to show you how to process bitter leaf. So I've introduced the bitter leaf into the pot. I've added salt, seasoning. Yeah, and after this, just after 1 minute, after adding your seasoning, 1 minute, start stirring. The soup is good to go. Yeah, this soup is for all my subscribers, for all my intended subscribers. This soup is for you. This soup for you, all my subscribers, all my returning subscribers, all my intended subscribers. So if you are still contemplating, should I subscribe, should I not, should I like, should I not, please do subscribe, do like, do comment, do everything. Because come on, wash your hand, let's eat. Let's eat. Then after eating, you will see every reason why you should subscribe, why you should comment, why you should like. By the way, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Lovely.